in this video, we will talk about the factor theorem. So, how does this works? So, factor theorem, we will prove if the divisor is the factor or is a factor of the dividend. And how do we prove that? When the remainder is 0. So technically, in factor theorem, we will be applying the remainder theorem. So in short, we will evaluate the polynomial using the value of your C, and then dapat yung lalabas na remainder is 0. Kapag hindi 0, therefore, the divisor is not a factor of the polynomial. Kapag 0, therefore, the divisor is a factor of the polynomial. So how does this work? So let us try to find the remainder of this given, which is given number 1. So again, remember, kapag 0 yung remainder, therefore the divisor is a factor of the polynomial. Kapag hindi 0, therefore it is not a factor, or the divisor is not a factor of the given polynomial. So let's say we have in your module, I put F, okay, for the factor theorem. So let's say we will be evaluating this polynomial. So either way, P quantity X and F quantity X is just the same, okay? So huwag kayong malilito doon. So 2x cubed plus 5 x squared, and then minus 14 x minus 8. So first of all, you should make sure that the polynomial given is in descending order, or dapat mauna yung 4th degree kung meron man, then 3rd degree, 2nd degree, 1st degree, and then your constant term. In descending dapat siya. And then we will be proving if this divisor is a factor of this given polynomial. So, yung divisor, let's say, x minus 2. Okay? So, we will prove if this, what do you call this? Expression. Ayan. If this expression is a factor of this polynomial expression. So, how do we able to prove that? By evaluating. Okay, so we will find the value of x, or your C, and then we will use that to substitute to all the x's here in our given. So to find the value of x here, or your C, you need to equate this by 0, and then x is equal to 2. So you need to transpose, and then when you transpose, the sign will change, and then it will become positive. So therefore, the value of your x, or your C, is 2, and we need to substitute 2 to all the x's here. Dapat ang lalabas sa pinakadulong sagot ay 0. Kapag 0 yung lumabas, therefore x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay? So, let's start. No? So, f quantity, the value of your x is 2. So, f quantity 2. We have, i-move ko lang. We have 2, and then quantity 2 cubed plus 5, and then quantity 2 squared minus 14, quantity 2 minus 8. And then we need to get rid of all the exponents and the parentheses. So we need to simplify. So we have 2 times quantity 2 cubed is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So that is equal to 8. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, plus 5, 2 squared is equal to 4. And then minus 14 times 2, the answer is 28. So minus 8. And then f quantity 2 is equal to, we need to get rid of the parentheses, so we should multiply. So 2 times 8, that is 16, plus 5 times 4, that is 20. And then minus 28 minus 8. And then here, for us to compute this, we need to continuously solve. Dire-diretso nating isolve to. So we have 16 plus 20, that is 36, minus 28, that is 8, and 8 minus 8, that is 0. So ang lumabas sa dulo, answer natin is 0. If that is the case, therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay? Of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 14x minus 8. Kapag 0 yung lumabas, therefore, the divisor, or the given divisor is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so in this given number 1, x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 14x minus 8. So let us solve another example. So let us see if this polynomial here is a factor of this polynomial. So let's say we have x plus 5. Okay? So let us investigate, or let us compute if x plus 5 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 29x plus 30. So, but first we need to compute for the value of x. So, we need to equate this by 0, and we need to transpose positive 5, so it will become negative 5. That will be the value of your x. Okay? So, now that you computed the value of x, substitute x to all the x's here in our given. So, it will be f quantity negative 5 is equal to negative 5 cubed minus 2 negative 5 squared minus 29 quantity negative 5 plus 30. And then f quantity negative 5. So negative 5 cubed, I told you, kapag negative yung base mo, you need to be very careful in using your calculator. So, pwede nyo computein 5 cubed, but then don't trust the sign that the calculator will give you. Kasi negative times negative, positive times negative, the answer here is negative, and 5 cubed is equal to 125. So, the answer here in negative 5 cubed is negative 125. I believe kapag pinindot nyo to sa calculator niya, it will give you a positive answer. But then, that is wrong. No, you need to manually compute what will be the sign of your answer. Okay, so don't trust your calculators in terms of expressions like this. So, minus 2, and then when we simplify negative 5 squared, that is equal to positive 25. Okay? Minus 29 times negative 5, the answer is negative 145 plus 30. And then, f quantity negative 5 is equal to, we need to get rid of the parentheses, so we need to multiply. So, negative 125. So, here, minus 2 times 25, the answer is 50. And then, here, we need to multiply the signs para mawala yung parentheses. So, negative times negative 145, the answer is positive 145 plus 30. Okay, now here for us to be able to compute the remainder, just continuously solve for this. So, negative 125 minus 50, the answer is negative 175, plus 145, the answer is 30, sorry, Ulitin natin, okay? So, negative 125 minus 50, the answer is negative 175. Plus 145, the answer is negative 30. Plus 30, the answer is 0. So, therefore, again, we come up with 0 as the remainder. Therefore, we can conclude that the divisor, which is x plus 5, is a factor of the given polynomial here of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 29x plus 30. So, yeah. How about let's solve another example and yeah, the last example. So, let's examine if x plus 2, which is the divisor, okay, let's see if x plus 2 is a factor of x squared minus 7x plus 10. So again, we need to compute for the value of x and we need to equate this by 0. So x is equal to negative 2. So our x is equal to negative 2 and we need to substitute negative 2 to all the x's here in our polynomial. So f quantity negative 2 is equal to negative 2 squared. Okay, minus 7 quantity negative 2 plus 10. And then f quantity negative 2 is equal to negative 2 squared is equal to 4. Yeah, it will become positive. Okay, and then minus 7 times negative 2. So the answer here is negative 14 plus 10. And then f quantity negative 2 is equal to 4. For us to get rid of the parentheses, we need to multiply the signs. Okay? So negative times negative 14, it will become positive 14 plus 10. And then f quantity negative 2 is equal to 4 plus 14, that is 18 plus 28. Sorry. 4 plus 14, that is 18 plus 10, that is 28. So, in this case, the remainder of the given is not 0. So, therefore, we can conclude that x plus 2 is not a factor of the given polynomial of x squared minus 7x plus 10. So, ganito lang yung factor theorem. You're going to compute for the remainder by evaluating the polynomial using the value of x or c. Okay? And then, kapag 0 yung lumabas as your remainder, therefore, the divisor or the expression given in the divisor is a factor of the given polynomial. Kapag hindi 0 yung lumabas, therefore the divisor or the expression in the divisor is not a factor of the given polynomial. So that is how the factor theorem goes.